Brief history. The present municipality of Ahoy started as a small settlement established by the early Malayan freedom seekers on the north side of the Butuan River near the present site of Barangay Lanhagan. The native original called it Asui. A popular story of how Ahoy got its name is as follows. During the Spanish era, a Spaniard who was assigned to list the name of coastal village of this portion of Iloilo came to this place where he met a native who was gathering wood. The stranger asked for the name of the settlement. The native, who did not understand Spanish, though he was asked what he was gathering, and so answered, Kahoy. And so the Spaniard noted down the word Ajoy, which was later changed to Ahoy, the present official name of this town. After several years of its founding, the settlement prospered and the population increased. Many people engaged in trade with the neighboring island and towns. However, they found it difficult to transport their goods to this place from Ahoy, and so they located to a more convenient place. Thus, the present site of the población was selected because it is ideal location. The municipality of Bahoy was formerly a part of Sara. It became a full-fledged municipality in 1917 through the enduring effort of educating citizens under the able leadership of Dionisio Dial Alijo Posadas, Manuel Arones, and Antonio Manipula. This man was mainly responsible for the separation of Ahoy from Sara. Vic was a leader in student government of the university, the CPU Republic. It was probably through campus politics that he joined the government for Democratic Philippines in 1970 that gave rise to the Federation of Ilonggo Student of FEST. It was under the FEST leadership that series of huge rallies and demonstrations were held in Ilo City. It was also FEST that Vic met student Ilonggo student leader from Manila, including Ortigas and Albertos Espinas, who became his friends and mentor. In January 1972, once before Marcos declared martial law, in September 21, 1972, Vic and other student leaders in Iloilo decided to abandon the open arena of activism by going to the countryside to join the underground resistance against the dictatorship. Vic joined 6 others to conduct research in the remote areas of Antique on July 1973. Time of the campaign to reject the Marcos Constitution, shaking the nation through a referendum to group visit remote villages in Antique that were home to the Sacada or seasonal sugarcane plantation worker in Negros Island. At the close of the field visit, they were arrested. They tried to escape, taking various routes, but almost all of them were pursued and shot. Of the 7, 5 of them died. Vic and Ferdinand Arcelo were the last to fall on July 29, 1973. They managed to escape the military that we chasing them for 2 days before they were caught in San Joaquin town. Vic and Ferdinand were summarily executed while other companion was captured and tortured. His family brought Vic's remains to Colasi, Ahoy town, for burial on August 3, 1973.
Why do birds suddenly appear?
Geography. Ahoy is located within 123 degrees, 1 minute and 16 seconds longitude, and 11 degrees, 10 minutes and 30 seconds longitude on the northern eastern part of the province of Iloilo. The municipality of Sara bound in the north by the Ahoy Bay, in the south by the municipality of Baratopiaho, Lemery in the west, and municipality of Concepcion in the east. It is 87 kilometers away from the city of Iloilo. Based on land management data, the municipality of Ahoy has a total land area of 17,537.19 hectares. The town of Ahoy is coastal and agricultural municipality. It has an irregular surface with high mountain range in the western part and an elevation of up to 500 meters above sea level. The elevation of up to 100 meters above sea level is composed of about 9,731 hectares. That is almost half of the total land area of Ahoy. The mountainous region, which has an elevation up to 500 meters above sea level, is composed of about 68 hectares.
All around, just like
the municipality of Ahoy mostly comprises of agricultural land. Ahoy known way of living is farming and planting some varieties of agricultural craft. They trade and export it from other places. On the other hand, Ahoy was also a coastal area where fish is abundant, and fishing was also their source of daily living. It shows how industrious and hardworking the people of Ahoy. What is Tambumbo? Tambumbo is a Hiligaynon term used by the native of a storehouse, warehouse, or storage structure from agricultural product. Rice is their main product and also fish. Ahoy is one of the unique places that has more tourist spots you can visit and you can enjoy. Some tourist spots in Ahoy like Villa Adelina at Poblacion Ahoy, Iloilo. In this spot you can celebrate what kind of event you like, and you can feel free because this spot has a clean surrounding. The other tourist spot is Wendy Willows at Malayuan. In this place you can relax. And if you want to find a tourist spot that has a peaceful place and you can feel fresh air at Marbuena, it is also belong to Ahoy, and also place where you can see the white sun is Parola. In this place you can see how beautiful tourist spot is this, because while you are riding a boat you can relax and you are free to express your feelings and emotion. And that other spot is Cagay Falls. You can find this place at Barangay Progreso. In this falls you can see the clean water and you can swim if you want.